Hello everyone, today is September 20th, 2022, and yesterday I have worked on this problem insertion sort list. I do implement the main function, and with some debug I noticed there's some infinity loop. I think that's because the P1 pointer it's not handled while. So, to be simplify this implementation, I'm going to do that in a sub function. So, okay, let me do this. So that will be strict and insert a node in list. Okay, that's structure head, that's no problem. And structure node new. And let me think. If I need a new one, so that's insert. I will insert to the one. Yes. Okay. I might need to search the linked list from head and insert the new one to the. That will be the sorted, linked, sorted. Yes, okay. To the insert a new one to the node has after the node before is better. Before the node whose value is bigger than newest one. Okay, so that's the one. Okay, so we have new one, we have the positions, we move this position right here, and okay, so checking non-pointer of new outside of this function. Okay, so the p insert. Okay, I could copy it from here, right? Let me see. From 27 to 43, just and I'm going to 15 line to 31. Okay, here we go. So while okay, I'm going to do this. Okay, I'm going to simplify the while condition as well. P insert and the P insert value is less than new value, and then we don't check next. We don't check the P1, so yeah, that's the one. Okay, so then the P insert equals the next. Okay, in that case, we found 1. If P insert value equals the head, we just do the 1. Oh dear. So if we searching to the end, the P insert position will be the none. So we don't do that. We need checking his next. Okay. Okay. We will do one more line. P insert position next is true. Okay. That's better. Okay, so we check, make sure his next is not true. Okay, it's not, it's the 1. Okay, if then the new next equals the head equals the equals the P insert positions. Okay, that's for the head. Replace head with new node P insert position. Okay, else we do something new. So else, let me see. Whatever the P insert positions next is now or not, we could handle in the same case. So in the same case, we just let the new next equals, okay, that will be the new next equals P insert positions, and the he next will be P next will be the new. Okay. I'm thinking if that's necessary, we return head. No, we don't. It's not necessary return head, but we could do that. Okay, never mind. So that's for the insert, and make sure. Okay, so back to the main function. Okay, P1 equals head next. If P1 is true, we just set P1 equals true. P1 will be the new one, so we just set a new. Okay, we need another one for the new. Okay, the new will be the P1. Yes, we don't. Okay, we could do this. We don't need new. We could using the P insert. Okay, P1. Hold on. Okay, so P insert element equals the P1. That will be insert that one. Okay. And the P insert element. And the P1 equals P1's next. Yup. And here's P1 next. Hold on, P1. Okay. We need a previous. We need to set up the previous node. So, okay. Let me see. We need P insert previous pre-element. Pre-P1. Okay, so P pre-P1 equals the head. Okay, so before we insert, we move the next. We move the next. Okay, we move the next. Okay, we move the next. Okay. Okay. So in this case, we could set P pre P1 equals next equals the none for the calling the subject to the end of subject P1. P1 equals P1 next. Okay. Then we could call head equals insert a head P insert element. Okay. After that, oh, that's really hard to read. No, in that case, I have to search into the end and make the link list again. No, I don't have to do that. Yes, I don't have to do that. Okay, so back to the end. Yes, I don't have to do that. I could split the linked list to the harp two parts and just insert one by one. That sounds good. And P1 next. Since here P1 already equals P1 next, so we just check his next and back and search again. That looks right. Okay. In that case, it seems I don't need that one. I don't need that one. I only need that one right here. So I only need set up his nice to the noun. Yep, and we call this one. So we split the list at the very beginning to two. First part will be the one node, only the head. Second part will be all the left. And in that case, I could keep moving. Yeah. I could. This is not necessary, but I would like to make sure everything is right. So we call that. Okay, that would be the 8th. Yeah. Yeah. Then just divide. To two parts. First one has only head. Second part has the left nodes. Okay, that will be it. Yes, that looks right. Let me try that again for the implementation on the Leetcode to see what's the result here. Run the code, run the code, run the code. P insert unclear. That's the new line 28. Line 28, that means we need position here. Let me double check the logic. So else next. Okay, that will be right. Okay, that's 2, 1, 3, that's fine. P1 value, that looks good. And okay, here the logic. We need change the logic right here. Or 2, 1, 3, and that's not going there. If head is now null and head value is greater than new values, is less than new values, so it's head value is less. Okay, not less. So we go there, we just new next equal head equals the new. Okay. Not the same, right? Yeah. One, two, three, 1, 2, 4, 3 for the last. Okay, that's 2, 3, 1 for the last. That will be 3. And 2, 1, 3. So position value will be 1, 2, 1, 2 for the last 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that position will be the 3 here. 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2. So on the very beginning, the 1, 2. Okay, so for the very beginning, there will be the 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3. On the very beginning, there will be the 4 with 2, 1, 3. Okay. And when I insert the 2, there will be the 2, 4, and 1, 3. And on the next will be the 1, 2, 4, 3. Okay, for the last, the P1, 3. P1, 3, we insert 3, we will search 1, 2, that's P insert. P insert. That's right one. So, okay, some logic goes wrong here. So, for the insert, new next equals P next, that's fine. And P insert, hold on, P insert equals new. That will be right? Line 30, structure, next, value. This is not called like this. Let me see. structure list node. Hold on. Member says within non-pointer tab. Okay, that's none. Its next is none. Okay, so we don't need that one. We just okay. Okay, oh, okay, that's the wrong one. No, that searching condition is wrong. So let me check. First one, the p in there is true. Its value. Nope. And we also need another condition. Right, then we move next. No. We might be need previous. Okay, so we might need a previous node for that. Let me see. So in that case, in one way I could using the previous node record to mark that one. Otherwise, I could mark to check the one more step for the next. Okay, so we could do here. If that is true, and p insert position next value is less than new value. We go in next, else we just break. Okay, just looks right. Let me do this. Okay, I got that right one. I'm going to command this one out and see what's the submit code. Wrong answer. Output is 0, 4, 3, 5, minus 1. Expect that's complete mess up. Weird, huh? First one we got 5, that's right. And the position is number 5. So, P1 value is 3. That's right? So, I'm going to print while temp is true, I just print temp value and the temp equals the temp next. Okay, in that case, let me see how it's going on. Custom test case and run it. Okay, 5 minus 1, not right. 5 minus 1, not right. So something wrong here for these positions. For the 5, minus 1 less than that. And this is now, so okay, that will be okay, the P position will be the head, equals the head. That will be the head, right? Minus 1, that's fine. So the new, oh, hold on. Okay, that's the case. F and P insert position value less than with a new value, then we do this. Oh, here we go. Let me do submit again. Time exceeded due to some print. Probably let me command out the print. Another print right here. And submit again. Accepted. Oh, finally, I got accepted. I beat 48. Let me run that again. Beat 45. Okay, that will be fine. So let me mark down the performance right here. So beat 48% on September 20th, 2022. Okay, summarize. So from top, so I just from the original, design, I just implement a sub function to do the insert node, a new node to the sort list, and based on the new part, I understand the algorithm more clear. That means I will divide, at the very beginning, I will divide the linked list to two parts. First one will be the first node, second part will be the old left. Every time I pick the head of the second part and try to insert the first part. So I will do the one, and let me see. So for the condition, I do some new. On the very beginning, I check in the next. I check in the p inserted position, this pointer, this pointer next. That's causing the searching will stop one step ahead the target. And the next, I don't check the next, but I checking the next before I moving the P insert pointer, position pointer to the next. And later on, I notice that happens something when that means the searching will stop one step after the target. So I just combine the condition with this one, just check his next value to make sure that is less than the new value, so we could moving forward, searching one more step. Okay, that's the new change, and another change will be the head. So this one doesn't handle as original. This part doesn't handle the staircase for there's only one node in the one node in the first part. In the first part, and in the happens the insert node is greater than head. So that's why I need combine another condition to check the head value. Just maybe head is head is more clear right here. Clear head value is greater than the new value. Then we replace the head with the new node. Otherwise, we handle the new node as like below. Okay, to debug, I just add the new print the list functions, and in that one, original I try to get a previous point, but it's not necessary since I don't understand. At the moment, I don't quite understand that divide the link these two parts. After that, I just need do the head next equals none before we enter the while loop, and that's the logic right here basically. And this part, line 59 is not necessary to be sure the running. I just added there, and that's the call here. Pretty much that's for that. Since I changed the node of the bird, I will try to submit again to make sure everything is right. And check the performance for the curiosity. Yeah, that's much better for the 61, so I mark it 62. Okay, that's pretty much for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.